Hey guys, this is Arushilana and you are watching Physiotherapy Student Welfare Association. Today, I have come with a new topic: how to fix round shoulder. The appearance of a round shoulder comes from your shoulder bending forward and downward. It uses the imbalance between the muscles that pull your shoulder forward and the muscles which pull your shoulder backward to maintain an alignment. According to the research, they should be divided into two primary things. First, overacting muscles and second, underacting muscles. In overacting muscles, the muscles become tight, strong and short, which pull your shoulder into forward direction. The male culprit of these overacting muscles are pectoralis muscles, upper trapezius muscles, subclavius muscles and latissimus dorsi muscle. With this combination of muscles, there is a lack of mobility in the upper thoracic region. In underacting muscles, their muscles become weak and loose, which fails to pull your shoulder in backward direction to maintain a neutral position. The male culprit of these underacting muscles are serratus anterior muscles, middle and lower trapezius muscles and rhomboid muscles. When you start developing this posture, you feel neck pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain, wrist pain and even stiffness in the upper back region. Now, when it comes to how to fix round shoulder, there is overacting muscles needs to be released and the underacting muscles needs to be strengthened to maintain a good posture. So without further delay, let's take a look on them one by one. Stretching for overacting muscles. First is pectoral stretch. Placing both hands on the occipital area and pulling the elbow back up and feel stretch on pectoral muscles. Hold for 5 seconds and this should be done for 15 times. Second is upper trapezius stretch. Pull your shoulder back and down. Tilt your head to the side. Using your hand, pull your head further into the tilt. Aim to feel stretch on the side of your neck. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat on other side. Second is push-up plus. Get into the end of a push-up position with your arms fully extended. Push your hands into the ground to protract your shoulder blades, which will lift your upper back towards the ceiling. Hold the top position, then come back down to the start position with your shoulder blades retracted. Repeat it for 10 times. Now, for strengthening the muscles, we should do back extension. Lie prone on the floor, lift your head and upper back region. Place your head on the back, hold it for 5 seconds and do it for 15 to 20 times.